how to apply for financial aid. So let's say we want to apply for financial aid like a course, a cell basis for data analysis, IBM specialization. What you need to do is to go to Google Chrome. Once you go to Google Chrome, we are going to be using the web version of Coursera. You have the app version, you have the web version. We are going to be using the web version of Coursera here. So what you need to do is just to go to Coursera, type and go to Google Chrome, type Coursera. Okay. Once you type Coursera, you have the sign in. Just go to login. Once you go to login, you have this explore option. So what do you want to learn? This is where you're going to type your course. So I'm going to type Excel basics for data analysis, IBM. Okay, the course is already here. So click on it. Once you click on it, it takes you to the course. So this is it, data analysis Excel. So this is an option that has financial aid available. So it tells you here the application will take up to 16 days to be reviewed. That means once you apply for financial aid, it's going to take you 16 days before the application will be reviewed. Okay, so continue to the application. When you click on it, it takes you to this place. As you can see, the original price of this certificate is 49 USD. That's $49. So they're going to ask you certain questions, like if you have a college degree. You click on it, annual income. As of the time of applying, I was unemployed. I was just fresh out of the university, so I wrote 0 annual income, and I was unemployed. Okay, so if you scroll down, as you can see, I've already applied for this, so my information are still there. So they're going to ask you 2 questions. First of all, is the reason why you apply for the aid. I'm Jennifer. You're going to write like a 150 words. You're going to make sure it's 150. As you can see, they will count your words. If it's not 150, you cannot pass the stage. I'm Jennifer, 25 years old. I'm 25 years old and I'm recently graduated from University of Nigeria, Nsukka. I graduated with the CGPA of 4.45. This is recently why you need to apply for the financial aid. You have to make them see reasons that you need this financial aid, that you're financially not capable to help yourself pay for this course. Do you understand? So that is what you just need to write here, why you can't pay for the course and why you need the financial aid. So this is my own reason here. So once you're done, once it reaches 150 words, you say this green, they'll take it here. You say it here, they'll take it green, then write 150 words. It can be more than, but shouldn't be less than. Then once you're done, I've reviewed information and everything is up to date. You click on this box, then they take you to the next page. Then how much can you pay for the selected course? Most times they want you to pay like half of the price, but you can go for 0 USD. So once you go for this 0 USD, anyway, recently, normally they used to give you 100% of that. You're going to pay everything. You're not going to pay anything at all. You won't pay anything at all till you get your course. But I've noticed recently that what they do now is you pay some certain things. You can access all the course content. You can access the quiz, but you can't submit the quiz. That is what I noticed recently. So what you're going to do now is that you will actually click 0 USD, and when you're about to submit your course, you'll see a little amount you're going to pay. I think 20%, 30% of the fee, which is actually okay, and it's not really bad. But the discount is huge. So A second question they're going to ask you here is, how will your selected course help you with your goals? So here you have to input why you want to study the course you are applying for financial aid. Do you understand? So I've already written something on it. So I'm entering document now, then financial aid. I wrote something on it on Microsoft Word. So this is it. Why I need Excel basis for data analysis IBM course. So what I'll need to do is to copy it. This is an already written script, mind you. I'll copy it, then I'll go over to my application and I'll just paste it there. Yeah. So let's scroll down. So I met the word count. That's 150 words. So there are some things and conditions you need to check, like I'm sharing accurate information on application. I need to click on it, and you must commit to finishing the course on Coursera. So you won't just apply for the financial aid and run away. So when you click on it, so I think we are almost done. You have to agree to the things and conditions. So please mind the cases, uppercase for uppercase, lowercase for lowercase, okay? Although I don't think if it matters much, but you just have to observe it. Then I'm a robot. You have to click this to tell them, to make them know that you're not a robot. Then review. Okay, this actually brings out everything, all the information you filled so far. Then you submit your application once you're satisfied that all these informations are correct. So this is basically it. So they'll tell you, success, we've received your application. So we received your financial application on Excel basis for data analysis. We'll let you know the outcome of the application through email or an in-app message by February 13, 2025. So this is actually the 16th day. Well, I told you initially you have to wait for 16 days, right? So if approved, you'll be eligible to receive up to 90% off the regular price. Like I told you before, initially financial aid gives you 100% everything off, but right now you have to pay like 10% of the fee, which is a reasonable bargain. Although we would have enjoyed it being 100%, but paying 10% of the fee is a reasonable bargain. To be honest, to be honest with you, I don't think there are so many learning platforms that give you this opportunity. I don't think, but right now, Coursera gives it to you on a platter, and it's actually nice. So guys, the final stage is for you to check if Coursera has actually approved the course. Of course, they've told you when you apply that it has successfully been approved, but you need to double check it. So how do you do that? By logging into your mail. Once you log into your mail, Coursera will send you a mail immediately once you have been successfully approved for financial aid, and they are going to write a date alongside it, telling you that, oh, 15 days from now, 16 days from now, your course is going to be approved. You're going to see the date there of when you're going to start the course. So this is how you're going to double check that your course has been approved. Easy peasy, right?